Your chest is not growing, even though you train hard every week. More weight, more sets, more sweat, but still no size. Here's the problem, and today we fix it. In this video, we'll cover the 3 biggest chest training mistakes and the 3 best exercises to actually grow your chest: barbell bench press, incline dumbbell press, and cable flies. Let's break it down. Mistake 1. You're using too much shoulder. Most people press the weight using shoulders instead of chest. During barbell bench press, retract your shoulder blades, keep your chest lifted, and press with control. Lower the bar to mid-chest, not your neck. Focus on squeezing your chest at the top. This instantly improves activation. Mistake 2. You ignore upper chest, flat bench only? That's a mistake. Your upper chest gives your chest fullness and round shape. Use incline dumbbell press. Keep the bench slightly inclined. Press upward in a controlled arc. Stretch at the bottom, squeeze at the top. This builds visible thickness. Mistake 3. No stretch, no isolation. Heavy pressing alone is not enough. You need controlled isolation like cable flies. Open your arms wide, feel the stretch, then bring your hands together slowly while squeezing. This improves muscle shape and definition. Final fix. Stop ego lifting. Slow down your reps. Focus on mind-muscle connection. Train chest with intention, not just weight. Fix these 3 mistakes, use these 3 exercises properly, and your chest will grow. Like, share, and subscribe to Bodybuilding India for serious muscle building content.